Do you want to be the perfect lover for your partner? There's more to making your partner happy, besides showering them with lots of gifts. In fact, any emotional connection is more important to your partner than a bouquet of flowers and a box of chocolates. This is why Lovers Pro, your #1 love is professor on YouTube, have come up with this advice on how to be the perfect lover for your partner. Building a long-lasting relationship isn't a complicated confusion. In reality, it's very simple. Here are 12 powerful advice on how to build a happy long-lasting relationship with your partner. 1. Make her feel like you care, and that she is special. She obviously likes and loves you, so make her feel like she is loved. 2. Do not fail to tell her how you feel about her. Telling her how you feel about her will always remind her that she's loved by you, and she will always like to hear that from you. This will ignite her emotional feelings for you, so always tell her how you feel about her. 3. Do not cause an argument that isn't necessary. If you make a mistake, admit it, apologize and tell her you love her. Never call her names or insult her while angry. It's demeaning and hurtful, and depending on what you said, it could cause her to stop trusting you. Watch how you say things to her, and manage your tone, especially in an argument. People don't like to be talked down to, or talked to angrily. 4. Appreciate her achievements, and encourage her to do more. Don't laugh when you know she's being serious. It will make her feel like you don't respect her opinion. 5. Be your natural self to her. Honesty is appreciated. Don't pretend to be what you're not, just to get her attention, as this behavior will only make matters worse if she eventually finds out your true self. Tell her everything you're going to be doing before you do, instead of telling her after you've done it. Example, I'm going out with my friends today, instead of, I went out with my friends. Don't treat her as second best. Have her needs be as important than yours. If you live together, do chores together. 6. Don't be afraid to hold her hand, or give her a hug, or a kiss. These gestures can be very important, and they will likely mean a lot to her. 7. Give her space. Even though she loves you, she might also have other things to do, like friends, work, school, etc., so let her have time, but don't shut her out. 8. Avoid texting other girls. If you continue texting other girls, it will worry her, and make her wonder whether you're cheating. If she's your girl, you don't need any others. 9. Be in good relationship with her friends. Never offend her friends. Her friends are her biggest cheerleaders. They control a lot more than you might think, so be in good relationship with them. 10. Avoid bringing up your exes. Your girlfriend will feel like she's just one of your many, not the special someone you tell her she is, so avoid bringing up your exes, or telling about your exes. 11. Do not pressure her to have sex with you. If she wants to take it slow, allow her, but if you pressure her, everything you do from then on will be tainted. You'll probably get more of what you want by making her feel totally comfortable, and giving her time. Your friends might accuse you of being whipped. This probably isn't true, just ignore them. At the end of the day, you have a beautiful girlfriend who loves you, so who cares? 12. Always be loyal to your girl. Make her feel like you care, and that she is special. She obviously likes and loves you, so make her feel like she is also loved by you in return. Those are 12 powerful advice on how to build a happy long-lasting relationship with your partner. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button now. Click the bell icon, so that you won't miss any of our interesting videos. If you have any comment, use the comments section below. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.